Good morning. This morning I will share to you one of the website which is used on interactive virtual classroom, the quizzes. I'm going to share also how to have an access on these quizzes and discuss some of its features. First, you need to sign up for free account at https://quizzes.com. So when you sign up, you have choices or options whether you're going to sign up with Google or sign up with an email. But for me, I prefer to sign up with Google. So signing up with Google, and this will prompt you to your profile. So you have your name there. Then on the left side of it, it has create, explore, library, reports, classes, and settings. This upgrade to Super is a premium, so it is paid, and we're not going to click it. So since we are only on the free account of quizzes. So for create, you have options to create a quiz or to create a lesson. This creating lesson is new for quizzes. So for creating quiz, so you need to fill in first what is the quiz name and what on what subject it is related. So let's say integers. So integers is related to math. The next, so quizzes has 5 questions form. So it has a multiple choice, the checkbox, the fill in the blank, the poll, and the open-ended. So this slide is used for creating a lesson. So I've used this since I have created a lesson on addition of integers. So for multiple choice, you can write the question here and then several options. What I like for these quizzes, it has a mathematical function. So you can type equations, use mathematical symbol for your quiz, and it would be easy for you to type all the equations and formulas. So it's not a burden for us to use the symbols. Okay? Just use the equation editor of quizzes. All documents, created quizzes and lessons will be saved at my library. So let us check my library. So it contains 4 accounts or 4 documents. So it has a quiz and a lesson. So for quiz, this is a sample quiz, the webinar titled webinar output. So you can give it as a live quiz or assign homework. So, on this matter, when you give it as a live quiz, so that is the synchronous approach. When you assign it as a homework, so that will be the asynchronous online learning. So, assigning homework, you need to have classes. So, I have here my classes. This link with my Google Classroom. So, these are my classes. So, let's wait. It is loading. So, these are my classes and these are my students. So, then all answers, all activities that they have been made are placed on these reports. Okay? So, yan yung mga nag-participates at yung accuracy o nakatamang sagot. So, if I click this one, nandyan yung name at yung score niya. And if you have an email for the parent, you can email the parent to have a copy and assessment of his or her child. So let's go back to my library. So on this my library, where your outputs are being saved, you can have a free view. So you can free view all the questions you have made for your quiz. So let us preview one of my quiz. So here on the free view, reattempt flashcards challenge friends. So mag-reattempt lang tayo. So you have the timer, okay, memes, and power-ups. So that's for the preview for the quiz. Ang pini-preview natin ngayon ay quiz. So let's have reattempt. So which of the following are odd numbers? So it is a question for the checkbox. Odd numbers 45, 81, 93. So every question is time bounded. So that's the meme. 700 points. Which of the following is a polynomial? The polynomials A. Okay, so may mga comments. Next, what is the next term in the sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8? So that's a Fibonacci sequence, so that's 13. Oh, pang Harvard na. Okay, it is a point of intersection of the x and the y axis. Type your answer. So this type of question is for open-ended questions. Okay, may power up na ako. Okay. Next. A polygon with 10 sides is called decagon. Okay, so that's the end. So it will show you a record summary of your test. So, okay. So that's for the quiz. So quiz has a preview. Now, for lessons, video lessons, okay, it has also a preview. So this is the lesson that I have made. So for video lessons, it has slides. So parang nagki-create ka lang ng PowerPoint presentation. So though walang mga ganong animation, ang mag-animate lang doon ay mga questions mo. So integers, addition of integer, yun yung real number per slide ko. So let's have a preview of my lesson. So, for preview of lessons, re-attempt lang. So, wala yung mga memes kanina. Okay, power up. So, what you have is the music. So, background music and the timer. Read aloud, hindi ko na siya enable because yung nagbabasa, minsan, hindi tama yung pagkakabasa lalo na sa mga symbols at number. So, let's have re-attempt. Okay. Which of the following are integers? So, sagot-sagot. Submit. It is a distance from a number from 0. Absolute value. Which of the following has an absolute value of 7? So, that's negative 7, 47, 49, 7. Hindi ko pa nga na-perfect to eh. So, yung isang slide, addition of integers for the same sign. Find the sum of negative 34 and negative 88. So, negative 122. What is the sum of 96 and 123? So, that's 219. So, to add integers with different signs, so yan yung rule. So, sagot, negative 91 plus 64. Wala, compute tayo. Negative 27. 156 and negative 247. Negative 91. 67 plus negative 45. So, positive 22. Negative 647 plus 948. Negative oh no, mali yung sagot ko dito Negative 301. Pero dapat positive yung sign niya. Yun. Kaya may preview para kailangang mag-edit. So, edit ko muna yun. Close natin. Okay. That's all. Thank you.